Now, some common human diseases caused by microorganisms: tuberculosis, measles, chickenpox, polio. Causative microorganism: bacteria, virus. Tuberculosis, bacteria. Mode of transmission through air. And prevent: keep the patient in complete isolation. Keep the personal belongings to the patient away from those of the others. Vaccination to be given at suitable age. Now, measles. Causative virus by mode of transmission air. Chickenpox virus air or contact. Now polio virus air or water. Now cholera causative microorganism bacteria. Mode of transmission water, food. Maintain personal hygiene and good sanitary habits. Consume properly cooked food and boiled drinking water. Vaccination. So we have to take the personal hygiene of that patient, using good sanitary habits, consume properly cooked food. We do not have eat raw food, and eat boiled drinking water, and vaccination. Take vaccination too. Now typhoid, bacteria and mode of transmission water. Hepatitis A virus by water. Drink boiled drinking water by vaccination. Drink boiled drinking water and take vaccination. Malaria, protozoa, mosquito. Use mosquito net and repellents spray. So you can see here this mosquito also. Use mosquito net and repellent, spray insecticides and control breeding of mosquitoes by not allowing water to collect in the surroundings. So we have to use mosquito net and repellents, spray insecticides and control breeding. You can use all out these kinds of the the sticks also of that heat, or that kind of heat, or any sprayer also you can use. Now mosquitoes by not allowing water to collect in the surroundings. You may not have you may dry up your land, whether you are living in your house. The outside water may do not come and enter in your house, so you have to keep stay away from that and do not touch that kind of water also. Some of the common diseases affected humans, their mode of transmission and few general methods of prevention are shown in table 2.1. Disease causing microorganisms in animal. Several microorganisms not only cause diseases in humans and plants but also in other animals. For example, anthrax in dangerous human and cattle disease caused by bacterium. Food and mouth disease of cattle is caused by virus. So that anthrax type of dangerous human and dangerous is a human and cattle disease by bacterium. So it may cause to us and to our cattle, our animals too. And foot and mouth disease of cattle is caused by virus. So disease causing microorganisms in plants. Several microorganisms cause disease like plants like wheat, rice, potato, sugarcane, orange, apple and others. These diseases reduce the yields of crops. For some such plant diseases, they can be controlled by the use of certain chemicals which kill the microbes, like pesticides. So, uh, plants like wheat, rice, potato, sugarcane, orange, apple, and it may have microorganisms. Now, the disease reduce the yields of crops too. For some such plants diseases, they can be controlled by the use of certain chemicals which kill the microbes. Now, some common plant disease caused by microbes. Canker, bacteria, mode of transmission air. Rust of wheat, fungi, air and seeds, mode of transmission. Yellow wing mosaic of bhindi, you can see okra, virus or mode of transmission insect. Now food poisoning. Pujo once was invited by his friend to a party and he ate variety of food stuff. On reaching home he started vomiting and he be taken to a hospital. The doctor said that this condition could be due to food poisoning. Now what is food poisoning? Food poisoning could be due to the consumption of food spoiled by some microorganisms. Some microorganisms have spoiled our food. The food poisoning may occur and may enter into our body by eating stale food also. Microorganism, if we eat vendors food, that we may have microorganisms that grow on our body. Food sometimes produce toxic substance. They may produce some kind of toxic substances and these make the food poisonous, causing serious illness and even death too. So it is very important that we preserve food to prevent it from being spoiled. So we do not have to the spoil food or stale food.